Which car brand is number 1 in Singapore? Singapore's new car population is greatly determined by the number of new COE available for bidding. Supply of COE is influenced by the allowable vehicle growth rate and the number of replacement COE from vehicle deregistrations. As that glut of cars moves toward the 10-year mark, when COE expire and cars are scrapped, that's when we will see new car sales go up, unless of course, they have their COE renewed. Over the last decade, there are more than a dozen of brands entered and left Singapore's car market. With limited COE quota and strong competition, which brands were the most popular? Who were the biggest winners and losers? Let us find out who will emerge as the ultimate winner from this challenge. Please remember to subscribe to our video channel and keep yourself updated to our latest video. If you like our video, please click like and share and subscribe to our video channel. See you on our next video.